Yes, my ingredients are here for this week's recipe. Perfect. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Cheesy Does It cooking vlog. Today we're making chicken marsala. It's easy, juicy, and explodes in your mouth with flavor. That's what she said! All we need is some garlic and shallot, mushrooms, chicken boobs, and marsala cooking wine. For the mushrooms, you can use whatever you want, but I prefer baby portobello mushrooms because they make my hands feel bigger, and they fit in your pocket. Unfortunately, I don't have the baby kind, but I can show you how babies are made with these two consenting adult mushrooms. So guys, grab your kids because they're about to get a lesson on proper cohabitation. What's up, baby girl? Why don't you come down to my place? I'll treat you real good.
Are you well adjusted with a stable income, supportive family, a 401k, punctual but not annoyingly early, exercises daily, eats healthy, has altruistic values, and dresses well but not better than me?
No, but I got an 07 Lexus that goes shroom shroom.
Good enough.
And boom, you've ruined the rest of your life. Next, paper cut your veggies into slices and fine bits. Then we're going to season our chicken using Knorr chicken seasoning. Knorr brings out the best flavor by using only the freshest ingredients. I use it on everything. Knorr, dedicated to flavor. Just between you and I'm not actually a sponsor by Knorr, but when you mention a sponsor, it makes it seem like your channel isn't struggling as much. On a hot stainless steel pan, add some olive oil. Lay the chicken boob nipple side down and cook until golden brown for about 3 minutes. Then flip-flop onto the other side for another 3. Remove the chicken and saute your mushrooms with some cool guy chef moves. Then add in some thyme, shallots of garlic, shake it like a newborn baby, then add some butters. That's me. Swirl it in. When it's all melty and stuff, mix in some flour. Speaking of flour, it's Mother's Day this weekend, and many of you are probably getting your mom some nice flowers. Well, don't buy this brand, because last year I got this for my mom, and she said it wasn't the right kind of flowers. I mean, it says all-purpose on it. Next, we're going to add in a cup of Marsala wine. If you have a date over, try this trick. Panty dropper. Return your chicken and add in half a can of chicken stock. Let it reduce to the thickness you prefer. This part is optional. I'm adding in some heavy cream because I hate my heart, but I love me some bingo wings.
What are bingo wings?
When the old woman hit bingo and she go, bingo! And
Love Tracy Morgan, thanks for that. Top it off with some stupid parsley, and you're all set. Guys, this dish was really good. Even Jackie liked it, and she doesn't even like chicken.
Don't tell them that!
So I forgot to cook pasta during this entire taping, so pretend this is cooked. Yay!
Father told me.
Full power. Here we go. Ready? Ready?
No.
Mikey Bush, Mikey Bush,
Okay,
Mikey Bush,
okay.
Mikey Bush, Mikey Bush, Mikey Bush!
He said one day you'll leave this world behind.